We are here at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, where they've set up a high-speed autocross style track, as we've got another jet flying in. But all the contestants that have actually qualified to be here today to be the ultimate driver are here. They're showing everyone what they've got, and they are competing to be the ultimate driver. I got to go out there on track. They didn't time me though, because I can't be the ultimate driver because I'm sponsored by BMW, but doesn't mean we can't come and watch as another jet is coming by. I have to wait for this. All these noises. So what you see behind me right now are those contestants getting their ride-alongs to get a little bit feel of a track. They're going to switch drivers, and then they are going to see who is the ultimate driver. Now, of course, I got to get out there first, but they didn't time me because I'm sponsored by BMW, I can't actually win. But we all know who's the ultimate driver here. But with that, let's just see what these guys actually got.
This is a quick time, 32.560. Also the winner of a PlayStation, the winner of a 2-day M School at either one of our performance centers, and also gets his name on the car, the ultimate driver liveried car, the M6 GT3 that is in the Gran Turismo game, and this piece of hardware, man, look at this, that is cool. Let's hear it for James Rock. James. Great, brother. This is awesome, buddy. Great job. Here you go, man. Hold that up high. You get all the contents of this. All right. Do another handshake.